Hey divas! I did some shopping and I want to show you all what I got. It was a combo of online and something that I ordered when I went to the mall. Yes, I went to the mall. So if you want to see the goodies I got, stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. I'm Andrea and I make videos about shopping and beauty products from mostly Sephora and this and that. So I have ordered some things online and they all came, so I wanted to share them with you. My first stitch was about a month ago and I got a pair of really cute red pants in there, but they were too tight and they were a little bit on the pricey side, so I sent them back. But then all of a sudden I had to have red pants. You know how that is, right? So I had $20 of Macy's Star Rewards money and I went online, couldn't find anything in the store, went online and ended up ordering these by Charter Club. They are capris. They have a pretty narrow cuff and I ended up paying $12 for them. And I didn't love them, but I figured I'd love them $12 enough. So I'll show those to you. I'm going to pair them with that blue top that I got with the stitch. Then I also I had a bonus $10 note from Nordstrom Rack. So I got on that and it was online only. And I got these red pants. Now these are Laundry by Shelly Segal. And let's see, what size are these? These are a 6. And they've got the zipper and the button and then the little hooks. And can you see the detail there? They've got like this little, it's a little hard to see, but it's a little stitching running through. So it's a little extra detail. It's got pockets in the front and it's got pockets in the back. They are sewn shut though. So I'm going to try those on. They are a little bit different in red and I kind of think I like this red better, but so I might end up with 2 pairs of red pants. That wouldn't be a terrible thing. So the other thing that I did was I was on White House Black Market and I saw these sand washed blue pants that I really liked. And they were $79 and I didn't want to spend that much, so I passed them by. And then they sent me an email and said the price had gone down to $29. That is a bargain. So I ordered those and that's what they look like. They've got this little tie and they're kind of a stretchy, they call it a sand washed, but it's really a stretchy, I'm gonna guess it's a polyester material. Let's take a look. Oh no, it's actually modal and poly and spandex. So it's a sand wash color for sure, but I will try those on. It's called the tapered ankle and I will try those on for you. Last but definitely not least, I went to the mall last weekend. Yep, it's the first time I've been in the mall since January. I kid you not. Everybody was wearing masks. I live in Colorado and the governor mandated masks a couple weeks ago. So everybody was wearing them and it wasn't real crowded. So it felt pretty safe. But I went to White House Black Market and I wasn't looking for a dress. Not sure what I was in there for. I was just kind of looking at different stores and they had this and I fell in love with the color. Now I love the ocean, the beach, it feeds my soul and I haven't been to the beach in over a year and this reminded me of the ocean. So I tried on the one they had in the store and this area, it looked like it wasn't sewn right. So she said she could order it for me and it came pretty quickly. I mean, that was Saturday and today is Thursday. So I was pretty happy with how quickly it came. So I'm going to try that on for you. All right, and it's got, let's see, it's got this tie here, but I don't know that that's a working tie. No, I think that's just for decoration. and it's got gathered up at the shoulders with these little strings, and it's got the ruffle hem. It's just, oh, it's so comfortable and it's so pretty. So I can't wait to try that on for you. So let's get to it. You know, I always forget this till the end. If you like these kinds of videos, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can share in the fun of clothes and beauty products with me. And wine, I love my wine. Today it's a Pinot Noir. Okay, now back to the try on. So these are the Charter Club capris, the red, and you can see they're capri length. I like them because they are tapered down, and I'm petite, I'm only 5'3". They are a petite though, and I like them when they're tapered. I don't like a super wide leg or even a moderately wide leg. I think they look really cute with these wedges, and I've had these for years. I think they're Dr. Scholl's. I got them at DSW years ago. And this is the Stitch Fix. This is the Stitch Fix top that I got that I paired with the red pants that they sent me and thought that they, you know, it would go really well with a pair of red pants. So it is an elastic waistband. There's no zipper or anything, and that's from the side, and that's the back. They're not the most amazing pants that I've ever owned, but they are a nice length for this time of year, summer, and I think that they do go really well with this Stitch Fix top. I'm having trouble saying Stitch Fix today, and I better practice that because I'm supposed to get one on Saturday. So, what do you think? I'm keeping, you know, I already kept the top, and I'm keeping the pants. I've actually worn them, but tell me what you think. You know, watch that Stitch Fix video and tell me what you think compared to those, and then the pair that I'm going to try on next. So these are Laundry by Shally Segal, and it comes up pretty high-waisted. It's above my belly button, which is good. I gained 7 pounds with the quarantine, and I have lost that. I started the intermittent fasting a little over 9 weeks ago, and so I've lost 7 pounds in that time. And I decided that I could probably do to lose a little more. So hopefully I don't end up not fitting into these clothes that I'm buying. But so up close, they lay flat. I've got the pockets. And that's the back. And like I said, these pockets are sewn shut, but the seam can be opened up. And I paired them with a pair of black pumps. I like them. I think they fit nicely. They're comfortable. I like the red, and they'll be a nice pair of pants that I could wear while I'm working at home during the day. I could dress them up with a sparkly top and wear them out to dinner. I could wear them for running errands. They're a good length. I don't like super long pants, so they're a good length with these heels. If I wanted to wear them with flats, I would probably have to hem them. But since they can be dressed up, I do think I'm going to leave them the length that they are. What do you think? Are they a keeper? Let me know in the comments what you think, if I should keep these. Okay, next up are the blue sand wash pants from White House Black Market. Okay, so these are the White House Black Market. They are a kind of a washed out navy, and they are going to be a no. These are the ones, they were originally $79, and I passed on them, and then they went down to $29, and I bought them. And they're just not very flattering. They have this tie, they're slip-on, there's no zipper or buttons or anything, and I'm not quite sure what to do with the tie. You know, let me come up closer so you can see. It just does nothing for me. So this is the front, and they just kind of hang. They've got these little pleats that just don't do anything, and they absolutely do nothing for my booty. I mean, it just looks flat know, they're comfortable, but they're just so unflattering that I wouldn't even want to wear them for lounging around the house. I'd rather wear yoga pants or some fuzzy sweatpants than this. So these are going to be going back. What do you think? Do you agree? Tell me what you think in the comments. Okay, last thing is that dress. Fingers crossed that it's not sewn funny like the one in the store. This is the dress from White House Black Market that I tried on in the store, and it does not have anything funny going on here. I'll come up so you can see, and it's got just like shearing. This is not a real tie, it can't adjust it, same for here, so they're just decorative. But this is made out of the softest, silkiest material. And from the side, it's all swirly. It's so comfortable. You guys, it's just, I could just wear this all day long. And like I said, I feel like I like to dress up sometimes when I go out and do errands since I work at home, and I don't dress up when I work at home, but I could wear this while I'm working. It's, you know, it's comfortable. I do wear dresses a lot in the summer when I'm working at home. I could wear this to dinner. I paired it with a pair of nude pumps, and I just love it. This is definitely a keeper. Tell me if you agree. Tell me if you love it as much as I do. And I got it from White House Black Market. When I got it, it was 50% off, and then I'm I don't know what they call their frequent flyer club, but I'm a member of that, so I got a few more percent off. But this is 2 thumbs up. So just the wrap up, I got 4 things, and I'm keeping 3 of them. So I think that's not bad, 3 out of 4. I got the red pants from Nordstrom Rack. I got the red capris from Macy's, and I got this gorgeous number from White House Black Market, and then I got the blue pants from White House Black Market, and that was a fail. But I'm pretty happy. 3 out of 4 is not bad. The other things that I got from Nordstrom Rack, I got some yummy shapewear, and I don't know if I've tried that before. I'm getting to the point where I do not want to be squeezed in and barely able to breathe, so I'm trying to find shapewear that does a job without cutting off my circulation. What is your kind of favorite brand of shapewear? What do you really like to wear that makes you look great but doesn't cut off your circulation? Leave me a comment and let me know. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and again, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll be seeing you real soon, because like I said, I've got a stitch coming on the way. So in the meantime, dress like you mean it.